What up? What up? Good morning. Yo, what up, CT? What up, Sean? Oh, man. Just testing out copy trading. Yo, I mean, you guys, I can't believe you guys woke up for London and then go back to bed. That's wild. Wake up, smash the trade, and then go to back to bed. That's crazy. Yo, inmate Maria is here. Dude, it's just so wild. Setting 2 alarms tonight. Dude, they just woke up, smashed London Open, and then went back to sleep. Crazy. What up, Mama Tick? Yo, you know what happens though, Sean? Everybody banked today. Tomorrow, CT wakes up and it's a losing trade, and then you got to go back to bed. That's what would happen to me. You guys would make money 8 days in a row. The day that I get up with you, the day I get up with you is the day you lose. Yo, what up, Monet? I caught the bottom right here, fair value gap inversion. This was a money trade, by the way. So you can see we swept this low in fair value gap inversion, and you take it to the upside. That's, you can see I copy traded. All these are all basically copy traded. What up, Racer? But yeah, that to me was an A+ setup this morning. And then I just did some stupid shit in a eval just to, I don't know. But I am going to readjust my copy trader. I'm adding. Dude, this one has to have no fucking drawdown. There can't be any drawdown in this account. Look, the account's done. I don't understand why it's in there. Yeah, just keep sleeping through it. Yo, one night I'll randomly get on and I won't tell you I'm in. And then after it goes south, I'll be in the chat and be like, yo, I was in. Ray, I just grabbed the bottom right here, man. It was like I thought that was a great trade. Sweep, fair value gap inversion back up to the upside. Money Viddy, what's the latest take profit trader offer? Dude, they've been running no activation fee, 30% off. I'll be honest with you, it's probably not going to get better than that until Black Friday. Black Friday, they'll probably go to 40% off. The highest I've ever seen it with no activation fee is 40% off. It was 40. The best deal ever was 40% off, no activation fee. It was 40% off, no, and if you got a payout, they sent you your eval money back. But this is literally the best deal that's out there for them right now. I don't know when they're going to go to 40. They'll probably do it during Black Friday. That's my opinion. What do I know? Though I have no idea. November. Like 5 months from now. You got a long time before that happens. Yeah, they're not going to run that deal for a while. But I'm just saying that that's probably the best deal. Do they normally do a Father's Day sale? What are the basic rules, Money Viddy? There are no rules. You could trade however you want. You just can't trade 1 minute before or 1 minute after red folder news. And that's it. Like you could trade 1 micro and then 5 minis. Like there's no consistency rule on a funded account. It's the closest thing to trading your own money. I don't know, dude. He made like fucking 2,000 trades or something. He's the same guy that said God told him about trading signals. I don't know, man. People whacked. I don't know. Better send that fucking video. That's what. Dude, and then some, like, it was some cancels, like, it was something stupid, man. I was just like, yo, what up, Dell? What you up to? Oh, super sketch. What up, Donna? How's everybody doing today? Everybody up? Making money today? You're in the office? Yo, what up, Cube? I don't know, Sean. I don't even get involved. No idea. No clue. Yo, Corey in the house. How you guys trading today? Dude, I thought today's setup was amazing. Swept this low right here. FVG inversion right over here. Take it to the upside. Super easy. Oh, geez. What up, DBT? Yeah. They unbanned you? Yo, maybe they unbanned you because I was on there. I don't know. No idea. I'll tell you what. Oh, I do think we end up trending lower today. So this is the daily. And I just feel like we kind of just swept the highs here and they're going to pull it back. I don't know, maybe back inside. Oh, let me look. Oh, jeez, dude. It's rough, man. It's definitely rough. Yo, Dell got his PP touched by Forrest. Yo, Forrest didn't say anything when I was on. I thought he would like communicate more, but he just kind of hung out. This is one of my accounts on. It's an eval, but you need to get this bad boy up. I traded these today. I traded these today, and then I traded these today. Money video. If you want to save money, use coupon code Cove Trader. It'll save you the 30% off, no activation fee. You can click on the link. The link works too. But when it tells you to do not pay $170 for a 50K, my dude. Yo. They're trying to really expand that, by the way. They're trying to make it really big. Whether they do it or not is a whole nother story. I don't know. You traded the gold ES, gold NQ ES and yen. I would stick to one thing personally. It's a lot. Kind of got a head and shoulders here.
Order filled.
Let's see if it plays. I'm gonna have to scout my way back before taking a large shot on this eval or this combine or whatever they call it. What up, Andy? NQ is I don't know. NQ is moving around today. Yo, combine is so cringe. Yeah, I don't know why it's called the combine. Honestly, I call it an eval, and some people like to call them what is it? Evaluations. Yo, I'm only trading my evaluations accounts. Yeah. Yo, what up, David? Nah. Roasted. I'm gonna get
Order
stopped.
filled.
Is it gonna? Oh, that's fucking so dirty. So dirty. Please don't chop for the rest of this fucking stream again. They just have to be different. Just got to be fucking different. Got to be difficult. I hate when I talk to people and I'm like, yo, oh, you're trading a Topstep eval, and they're like, no, it's a combine. It's like, bro, that's the same thing. Those people are the worst. Now I'm just going to fucking sit and relax here for a little bit. Yeah. I hate when they say they're trading an Apex combine. I most definitely don't say that. My Apex evals don't last very long. They're usually passed or not passed in like a day or two for the most part. Stop being a squirt. Oh, shit. A little retest of the 200 here. Do I go all in on this account? I got to make like $500 here. Otherwise, this account's smoked.
Order filled.
Is it me, or I constantly feel like I'm down every single time I jump into Topstep? Every time I buy in Topstep, I feel like I'm automatically down 30
Order
bucks.
filled.
Well, here's the end of this evaluate. Here's the end of this evaluation combine. What the fuck, Corey? We're right at the bottom of the orb. I will take my one last trade in this account. I kind of want it to break down though. Like the breakdown would be amazing. You'd probably come all the way down.
Order filled.
Fuck it. This is all in. Don't follow this. This isn't like some setup. Yo, Dell, you could trade Bulenox without being on there. You could trade Bulenox through Quant Tower and whatnot. Or Ninja Trader. You don't have to be on Project X. Uh-oh. Trump responds to ADP. What? ADP number out. Too late. Powell must now lower the rate. He is unbelievable. Europe has lowered 9 times. Bro. Trump is going hard on Powell about these fucking rates. Hard. This account's going to be done. I need it to literally break under here, and I want to target basically 640. I have the app. Yeah, I have the app right here. I mean, you could probably trade web-based. Why don't you just try it, Dell? See what happens. Just try it. You might like it. Chris Bova, trying to figure out what firm to use. I tried Topstep and Top One. Wait, what firm to use? I tried Topstep and Temu One. I've had no luck with them yet, but I got the attitude. I have my practice account. Y'all be honest with you, Chris. Changing prop firms is not going to make you profitable. Like, when you say like no luck, changing prop firms is not going to make you profitable. I would say focus on strategy, back testing, and things like that, and that will help make you profitable. That Topstep account is pieced out at this point. Just never could fucking break. It's there too. Shoulder, head, shoulder, just doesn't fucking go. Yeah. I mean, it looks like it could have just given it up right there. The fact that they bought it up, I would assume it's going to go back up. I just, they had an opportunity to dump it and they didn't. I hope not. Yo, what up, Joseph? How's everything going? Earn to trade? Bro, I would not use. I'll be honest with you, Corey. There's a ton of prop firms out there that you don't even know about. There's like all these little prop firms that I get emails from all the time. Like, hey man, hey, tell everybody to go use this prop firm and we'll pay you. I'm like, no, never even heard of you. Yo, I appreciate the support, Money Viddy. Just remember when you're trading those
Order filled.
accounts, when you're trading those accounts, treat it like real money, because if you can pass, there's zero activation fee. And not only is there zero activation fee, you can get daily payouts. So I just want you to take your time. Don't blow it in one day. Like, take your time trading it. There you go, Joe. There you go. How you liking trading for a living? I'm up 9K this AM, up 25,000 in a practice account I started 2 weeks ago. My problem doesn't seem to be my ability to get in and out. I think you're trading probably really big size, Chris. So when it comes against you, you're getting the account blown up rather than making money. That'd be my guess. Should have done it years ago. It can get stressful, man. There's really good times, some bad times. It is what it is. Oh, dude, your code, you're 37 minis in. TPT has 5. Yeah, but you can just flip the rest of the days. So, I mean, you guys know I like trading fair value gaps. I found this indicator that shows the inversion ones. I've shown this already. I'm loving it, actually. I have it on the 30-second and the 1 minute chart. And that's how I caught this trade this morning off the bottom. That's how I caught this trade off the bottom. I just throwing it out there to you guys. It's called IVG Pro Plus. Chris, that's what it's about. That's what the whole community is about. Yeah, Joseph. Market don't go sideways because I need cash now. Yeah, Chris. I'll tell you what, the people that ask the most questions tend to have the shortest amount of time until they're profitable. Yeah, DBT. I don't take every single one of them. I have criteria that goes along with it, obviously. But that's how I copy traded these today. I took this one right here after we swept these lows. Swept this low, down, IVG, boom, up. Fucking textbook. Super textbook. Yeah. I started backtesting it last week. I mean, you probably saw the same guy posted on Twitter that I saw. The guy who made it. But yeah, oh, come on. Yo, what up, Fred? Dude, this thing is ripping. No. No. It's a free indicator. It's a free indicator. You can't like just find it in the indicators. You got to like know the link. The link's into this. The link is in the Discord. You can't just find it. Like I searched. It's not. It's like not in their marketplace or whatever. It's more than just, you don't just follow the indicator. Like there's no indicator that you just follow and blindly buy. You guys know that, right? Like you don't just blindly buy and indicate up because the indicator hits buy on green, sell on red. You know that fucking guy? I'm not doing that. Some other guy I literally saw, this is all he trades. Kind of stupid, but I wanted to back test it. Literally 5-minute close candle outside of the, he does it outside the 30-minute orb. Oh, he got his dick kicked in then, right? Yeah. This would have been the orb. This would have been the close. Actually, it would have got his dick kicked in. But I probably wouldn't have taken it because it just went down and up. This guy waits for a 30-minute orb to close. And then the first 5-minute candle that closes above or below, he takes that trade. What up, Cody? Buy on green, sell on red. What up, TiVo? Chris is taking a gold short right here. Do I have gold even pulled up? Oh, a little dead cat / bear flag break to the downside. Just watch. It might hold 3,400 right here. That is a sometimes around the round numbers. Yo, what up, bum? Good morning, Mara. Got out a quick 330. Hey, money's money. Lock. Yo, you got to think, Chris. A lot of people don't realize this, and everybody needs to realize this, right? So you just made $330, right? If you went to work, how long would it take you to make $330? And you made that in what, like 2 minutes, 3 minutes? You know, if you treat this like a business, you can make a lot of money. Claudia, hi, I came a little late. What do you mean buy green, sell red? Oh, no, I'm making fun of the guy. There's a guy that sells paid indicators. And and the ad literally goes, buy on green, sell on red. Yeah, it's a joke on, I'm just messing around, Claudia. I was talking earlier about the strategy, how I took the bottom right here. So, yo, what up, Luca? What up, Michael? Claudia, I took this trade, so I copy traded today. You can see all these are about the same. We swept these lows, and then I took this fair value gap inversion right here at the bottom to the upside. My stop was 651, and then I just moved my stops up. I actually did it with like 3 micros and made enough with 3 micros. So you don't need a lot of trades for the day. We all greedy fucks. Yeah. Yeah, Q. You know how many times I do that where I'm like, yo, I'm up. Like right now, right? I just did 150 in all these accounts. I was like, do I take another trade to get it up to 250 in all the accounts, or do I just stop? The thing is, if I take another trade and I'm red and I lose the 150, it will ruin my fucking day. So I'll probably just stop, at least in the PA accounts, and then I'll just work these other PA accounts. Man, this thing's going to the top. All the way up. You know what's so ridiculous? I almost took this inversion right here, but I didn't. 744. I almost took it, but I didn't. Bro, what is consistency rule? It's the amount of money you can make in one day in your accounts. So if the consistency rule is 50% and you need $3,000, then you don't want to go over $1,500 in a day. Cody was up 400 in each of his My Funded Futures accounts, now down 100. Yeah, that could happen, Cody. Yeah. Well, you trying to short the up this little run here? Yo, I'm with you, man. See, you're hitting, well, if you wanted to, we're hitting our head on this order block. It's exactly, actually, this is my number one trade setup page. Order blocks, breaker blocks, and fair value gap inversions. If I had to tell somebody like my number one trade setup screen, this is it right here. You don't really need more. I also have pivot points on, I have pivot points on here and moving averages and VWAP. Let's see if I just add this. It's not terrible. Not too much shit. I mean, it's definitely good. It's rejected. I just want to see if we I want to see if we clip one to the downside. I'm waiting to invert. That's what I'm looking to do to take a short personally. Otherwise, I won't get in. That's like my trigger. My trigger is literally that. Let's see who's in here. Let's see who's in here that didn't say hello. Who didn't say hello or good morning? I can't see if you're on. Yo, what up, Lenny? Nutty? Fuck that. What do I look like? I'm going to go cut my fucking lawn? What up, Dean? Who else? Bro, people, yo, if you type in nutty, you just get disqualified from the race for the day. Yeah. Dude, I haven't been on Lester's stream in a while, actually. I haven't been over there in ages. Yeah. Oh. Oh, my ankles. Ooh, I just cracked that. That was like two big cracks. Two big cracks. Let's see what we will. I'm debating right here. I can't stop buying bull. Dude. Josh, I sold half of it this morning. There's got to be something wrong. I have to dig in. I sold half of it not too far off where we are now. Probably within 10 cents of where we are right now. Do you know how much I kicked myself last night, Josh, when we were up fucking 8% in one day and I didn't fucking take it? Josh, I kicked myself so fucking hard. Because what did I put it in as? It was 1260 when I put it in the stream and I got it. And then it went up to fucking, bro, it went from 1260 to like 14. It went up to like $14. Dude. Listen, do I think it comes back? Yeah, but dude, I had 2,200 shares. I was up like $2,500 plus dollars, $3,000 in a day. In a day, Josh. And I didn't take it. And I usually have a rule. I usually have a rule that if whatever I'm in goes up like 5% or more the next day, I just move my stops up. You got to see how many users they have. I got to dig into it. There's a lot of people that use Webull. Webull's market cap is like 1/12 of Hood's. I think there's more. I think Hood can run more, Bull can run more than Hood, just where the market cap is. But we shall see. Dude, I'm so annoyed. Yeah, that's massive growth. That's not COVID growth either. That's 2022 to 2024. That's real growth. Yeah. I'm going to do like a deep dive into it maybe this weekend and see what the deal is. Trades 90. What up? Yo, they shot down that big bill that was at the Senate. It's going down faster than I could sell premium on. The premiums are high. Don't get me wrong. Like, I have it up. Premiums are super high. Like, yo, 1050s are like 2.5% of your money, and that's at the money, and that expires in 2 days. That's freaking crazy. That's high juice. You can almost collect 1%, and the stock has to drop 5%. They shot the bill down, trades, and I think that's why the market is liking it. Streamlabs does not bang with you? What happened? What happened, Dell? What's the issue? What happened? Dude, it closed. It closed, Dell. I got you, though. I got you, Dell. But yeah, it closed. It's open for like 5 minutes. Jeez. Yeah. Can't read that one out loud. You get me freaking canceled, Dell. You get me canceled. We'll be Discord only. You're trying to set up Ninja and it didn't work. What's the issue? Why didn't it work? I'll help you out. By the way, Josh, I was running the screener on TrendSpider earlier and last night. Couple interesting ones is obviously D-Dog, OKTA, GH, and OLO. I got to dig into them, though. They don't allow web-based Bulenox? I should just copy what the screener gives me. I'll put it in the Discord. I'll just tag you. You can take a peek at them. What's wrong, Ricardo? Your data is delayed? Is that the issue? You have delayed data? I think the prop firms provide you the data. So whatever prop firm you're with should provide you the data. Did you just get a brand new account? Yeah, Josh, I'll send a bunch of them. I have it. I want to go do a deep dive and make a big list of companies that I want to add. I have I have this little tidbit here, but it hasn't been updated in a little bit. So, it is what it is. Yeah, each prop has its own thing. I did a Tradeify straight to funded, but it's like 12 hours and no reply. Yeah, so the form is definitely within it should be within Tradeify. Yeah, I've been selling puts on Celsius. Actually, I have puts expiring this week. I sold $36 weekly puts collected. By the time it's said and done, I'll collect $140. I should have just bought the stock, but I kind of like making money off of it a little bit first before I buy it, if that makes sense. Knowing that I've chipped away some gains, and once I've chipped away some gains, I then can buy the stock because I feel like I'm in at a discount. Dude, this just rejected off this order block, but it really didn't really get a massive dump. That wasn't really a big dump. Celsius is interesting. That NBIS company, NBIS, TTD, I like. SoFi is interesting. Lemonade's interesting. I like Lemonade because of the high contract price that you can definitely sell a lot. You could definitely sell every week. While like TTD, it's not It's not the best. Like TTD, what happened to Hims? Hims bought so Hims bought a European company for cash, and it went all the way up to like $66 and have dropped. Hims, I think, long term, like many years, is going to be a massive company. They're really putting money to work, and they're expanding where they need to expand. This is like a third of a size position, by the way. I want to see us get to like 77. All right, I'm break even. I'm BE, guys. Just to let you know, break even. Yeah. Yeah. I like getting break even as soon as I can on some of this shit because I just don't want to hold it. I wanted to see green candle continuation and get up to like 80 and then just kind of move up with the bottom of the candles rather than this. I mean, I want to see movement so I can grab something. Damn, Baba. That's wild. Bro, that's wild. Yo, has it worked yet? Has it worked? That might be the craziest thing I've seen. Dude, tell me it worked. Yo, what up, Pine? Yo, Pine, look at the message above you. I made a bot to catch my funded futures codes off the stream and execute. Bro, that might be the wildest thing. Yo, that's when you start selling that bot to people to use. What? Bro. Yo, let me know if you're leasing the bot out. Yo, you should make a website and give people access to it. Does the bot snatcher work? What's the snatcher? I think we're thinking about two different things. Net Bob is the next guest. Yo, bot training, baby. Bro, that's crazy. Straight up. Do you think other people are doing the same thing, Baba? Yo, Eugene. What up, man? Yo, Eugene goes, I came to this live because I saw a clip of you saying, it's going to burn when I pee after this. Bro. Yo, I like to have fun and I trade, man. Who doesn't want to have a good time? laugh. You know what I'm saying? Who doesn't want to laugh? Bro, that, yo, I'm screenshotting that. That is fucking hysterical, man. That made my day. That fucking made my day, dude. Never know what you're going to get on the fucking stream. Eugene. Yo, I can't wait to tell some of my friends. Dude. Yo. Yo, I remember that trade, Eugene. I think we did a MOC like 3 minis. Yeah. I think that's what it was. It was like a 3 mini MOC trade, and I was like, I don't feel good about this at all. I think I posted it yesterday. Well, I'm glad that you're a trader. Yeah, I mean, I caught the bottom right here and just I didn't hold very long. Kind of made a good chunk. Kind of break even there. Made some money. I'm just kind of waiting now. Dude, there's a couple imbalances right here. There's a couple imbalances. I wonder if they fill it and bounce it. Yo, what up, TJ? Come on, baby. Just flash down and get my orders and then come right back up. Just come down, grab my orders, be nice to me, bounce off these imbalances right here along with the 200. Yo. Oh, it's all entertainment, Eugene. Definitely not financial advice. NQ moving with Euro UST. I welcome all non-financial advice. Yo, Dell, I can't find an orb indicator for Project X. No. If you find one, let me know. I can't find one, though. Yeah, I know. I get it, Eugene. It's all good. They're not going to fill me at the 200 on these imbalances. That sucks. Missed filling me by a little bit. Yo, have a good day, Eugene. You literally made my day, dude. You made my day. I appreciate you for coming in today. Hopefully I see you around, and best of luck with trading. I'm taking this off. We didn't hit what I wanted to hit. Oh, man. You think this is going to keep bleeding? I don't know. They shot down this bill. They shot down this bill, and that's kind of what I think is making the market kind of drift up. I mean, this is some chop shit right here. I mean, I'm not taking that. Ah, that's the worst. There's a small fair value gap right there. It's too small to take. Basically, if you took it, your stop is 746. I don't like it. Yeah, I don't know. I don't. Yo, what up, Jack? Did they shoot it down yet in the Senate? I thought Elon was talking. Yeah, he was. I think they shot it down. I think they shot it down, and they're gonna see what happens. Oh, look at that! It fucking held. Yeah, Project X isn't really used to make decisions, Dal. I feel like Project X is more for just trading. What up, Newts? How's your day going? Did you just get finished buying prop firm accounts from a prop firm that just opened that never paid anybody yet? And then tell everybody you're not promoting it, but use my code when you get it. It's under caution, but don't worry, get it anyways. Yo, what up, Carl? Yo, if you don't know, you don't know. I'll message you off stream. I gotta fix the limit in stop orders. I might take this to the upside here. Just a quick fucking scout. Tight stop. Oh, I thought I was in the copy trade account. I'm not copy trading this shit. I thought I was copy trading it. Price action has been good for me. Go to break even. There you go, Carl. Real quick, $75. Price action has been really good here. Yeah. I thought I was copy trading that. I don't know. I thought I was in another account and I wasn't. Smelly Stan? No. What up, Alfred? What up? What up? Um, Yo, Newts, I sent it to you. If I take a buy, I need to aim. What? Oh, Maximus. Jesus, you guys are fucking. Bro. Yo. You put me on the spot. Yo, I'm just telling you, don't put your hard-earned money into a prop firm that's brand new, that's never paid anybody out. I don't even know how you can review something that you haven't even gone through the process. Like, if a brand new prop firm comes up, how can I tell you guys to use it if I'm not trading it and then I'm not getting a payout from it and walking through each level of the process of it? You know, it just makes no sense. That's like reviewing a product that you never used. That's like me telling you to buy a fucking Lambo, and I've never driven a Lambo. ES has a nasty reversal going on. What? Oh, the down candle? It's in this chop right here. Creative McBoots. Oh, man. But they said they'll pay. Yeah, I'm just saying, why would I put my money at a firm that I don't know if I'm getting paid rather than just stick with companies that I know pay people? Like, I tell everybody, if you're going to do a prop firm and you're getting payouts, go My Funded Futures or take Profit Trader. My Funded Futures, bro, My Funded Futures paid me in like literally 18 seconds yesterday. I took out $1,200. I got like I literally hit the button and the email basically came in that the money was gone. Like, it was crazy. It was crazy. Those are the two firms that, to me, are like top. Take Profit Trader, My Funded Futures. I like Take Profit Trader better because there's no rules, no consistency rules. You know, you can ring up bigger payouts. Yeah, Alfred, choosing a good firm is also a form of risk management. I don't have to wake up to find out that the prop firm owner bought a 1988 BMW for his freaking Toro business. I only use Apex for the most part for cheaper accounts. Just the risk reward is just there. The only time I haven't been paid by Apex is when I blatantly broke the rules. And like, I knew I broke the rules. Like, I'm not going to deny that I broke the rules. I mean, I definitely broke the rules. Yo, or 2,200 trades, Alfred. Yo, either way, don't take that many trades. Cove, I made an Apex account to pay out, but only $55. Yo, Luca, always take the money. Whether it's that firm or it's another firm, all you guys on here, always take the money. Never say, oh, I want a little bit more because I want a bigger payout. Take the money, they'll withdraw it from the account, and then you can build the accounts back up. I think the minimum you could take out, though, is $500. Just throwing it out there. on Apex. I'm pretty sure the minimum is 500. Yo, Knobs going back to gold. You got lured in. Chris, best place for short ES? I probably wouldn't short the ES here. Well, I'm just curious, why do you? It might drop, but I'm just, what are you looking at? Wait, what the fuck? I just got in something? Hold on one second. Oh, dude, that's an old ass order. What the fuck just happened? Bro, I just got filled old orders. What was that? The last flash dump they bought up. I'm just taking out. This is complete risk. This is complete risk here, by the way. The last flash dump they just bought back up. So why would they not do this one? Dude. That's that algo dump from fucking yes. Dude, I'm telling you, these algo dumps are weird, man. They happen out of nowhere. By the way, Chris, if you were in short on that, my man, that was fucking awesome. I did not see that coming. Bro, listen, you're not going to predict these algo dumps like that. That's just out of the blue. But that was awesome. You could if you were playing the same size. Yo, Amelia, be glad you just didn't. What, a long order right before the dump? Just remember, like, I don't want to say it happens every time, but recently, every time we get these flash dumps, they bounce back up. We bounce back up almost every time on these flash dumps. Yo, I opened up the duck race it's literally only open for 1 minute. So if you're on voice in here, you got 1 minute. It's going to automatically close. This is only because you guys like my dad joke. And that we played geolocation together. Made me not rage quit. Yo. Actually, that guy, Eugene, I don't know if you guys saw it. For you guys that weren't on here, I have to bring this up. I got to bring this up. This shit was hysterical. Bro, this guy made my day. He came on the stream. Yo. That's what he said. That shit was so funny. I came to the stream because I saw a clip of you saying it's going to burn when I pee after this. Yo. shit that literally made my day. Oh man. Yo, what up, Ruin Trades? What's up, man? How's things going? I took the run up here. I mean, I wouldn't that's not a long-term hold. That's a buy and get out. That's a buy and get out. I mean, I feel like things have been pretty good today. I took a max payout in this account. I need the first trade to go pretty well. Yeah, man. I am contemplating taking this. I was contemplating taking that to the upside. The size of the crown indicates a strong probability of more short. That's what Chris says. I don't play those, but April was great. May broke even. I'll be honest with you. If you break even, sometimes that's a win because you could have done something really stupid that hosed you and you were able to make up the difference. So break evens aren't always bad. Break evens could be good. It's just how you got there. Now, if you were up a lot and then went break even, that's not good. But if you were down and finished break even, Chris, that's Rua, that's a win. Yeah, Quan. They've been happening a lot, man. The flash dumps have been happening a lot. I've seen quite a few of them. It's almost like somebody is just getting out of a lot of positions at once. If we end up dumping the next week or so, maybe the next 10 trading days, you're going to go back and be like, yo, remember all those little dumps? People were just exiting mass positions. Because you know how much money it takes to drop the NQ down 30 points? Like somebody just dumped a fuck ton of stock or options or whatever it may be to cause the dump. Like that's not $100,000. Oh, that dump was Apple news. Well, that makes sense. What was the news? Apple tariff news, I guess. Trump's going after Apple. That's why you say Apple news. Apple and Alibaba's AI rollout in China delayed by Trump's trade war. Saudi Arabia wants more supersized OPEC plus hikes in a push for market share. See, like, I don't think that's terrible news, though. Like, okay, Apple and Alibaba's AI rollouts pushed back. Like, it's not losing the company's money. Yeah, that was quick. I didn't even see that news. I just know that we have been getting these flash dumps. That's not the first flash dump. Getting jiggy with it? No. Do I do a lunchtime trade? What would be the lunchtime trade? If I did a lunchtime trade, are we going long or short? So financial juice is actually delayed unless you pay. Oh man. I'm debating to take this north. The problem is I took money out, so my drawdown is low. And I need the first trade to be halfway decent so I can build my drawdown up. Anybody eating anything good for lunch? What you guys got for lunch? What are we dealing with? Short at 93? You got stew? Bro, I'm not a stew guy. I am not a stew guy for whatever reason. I just can't. Dude, smash burger, a salad, Rocky Mountain oysters. Yo, after I looked that up, I realized what it is. I think I got egg whites and avocado over here. Smash burger does sound good. Bro, my stomach is rumbling. I kind of want to take this, but I just don't. I don't love it. And I got the first trade has to be good. First trade has to be a good one. And I don't love the setup. It's funny, the more money you make in a day, like the more green, the more selective I get. You know, the more selective I am, the more money I make in a day. Bro, I do have some of the best delis in the world right near me. I know. The problem is I got to leave my house to go to the deli. Like, I don't know if I want to leave my house. I got to leave my house. I got to park. I got to go drive. So much easier just to grab something here. I love a good deli, though. What? Black Beauty, look at him the wrong way and get punched in the face. Diddy. Bro, the Diddy trial. I love it. Dude, the Diddy trial is crazy. I still can't believe her husband sat there while they talked about her getting all the stuff that happened. The best delis are in Queens. They all use the same meat. It's all boar's head meat. Boar's head meat is what all the delis use. If they're not using boar's head, just leave. Dude, you know what I want? I want Swiss, roast beef, Swiss, lettuce, tomato, onion, pepper, mayo on like a roll or on a hero. I want to eat that thing with two hands. Yeah, Josh, all the meats are ass. Yeah. I don't eat any other meats besides boar's head. Dude, there's a place in my town that makes fresh bread every day and then makes panini sandwiches on the fresh bread that they make. Bro, two hands, baby. Yeah. The fresh bread in my town is amazing. It's literally, you can get it off the thing. It's hot. and you can get a sandwich out of it. It's really good. I just haven't I haven't been there. Is the trial on No, they can't put it on TV because it's I think it's federal charges, so they can't put it on TV. There's definitely YouTube channels that have a bunch of stuff on it. CNN has good updates. Chris, you're doing good today. You're doing real good today. Just keep up the good work, man. Big question is, yo, Sean, are you Dell or CT going live during lunch or no? Just so I know. Are any of you guys going live? Yo, do they serve horse sausage? Yo, are you eating that horse sausage connected to the horse? Sounds like some Tijuana show. What up, Vivek? Well, I just want to let people know that's the only reason. You guys made too much money during London in the Open. By the way, there's a new open and range trade that a lot of us took today. Dude, $3,500 for a sandwich is not worth it. I took this candle up opening range trade hit today. What about this is bullish? Honestly, hold on one second. I'm scrolling in for you. You kind of got like this. I don't necessarily see it as bullish. You know, you kind of got like a channel going. This is kind of what you got until you break over this line. I would say we're just going to be
Order rejected.
the fuck?
Order filled.
I'm just trying to scalp real quick. But I'm trying to scalp this real quick. Oh, fuck me. All right, I got to go eat lunch. If you want to support the stream, use coupon code CoveTrader below. We're going to do account giveaways on the afternoon stream, so be around. I'll probably be in the Discord between this stream and the afternoon one, but we'll be back at 2 o'clock, 2:15 here on YouTube. This is what I'd be looking at. We're just kind of trading in this, and I'd look to kind of maybe touch down here until you break above or below. It's just kind of in like I don't even know. I mean, it kind of looks like a megaphone, but it's down and not to the side. But and that's pretty much it, guys. Chris Bovit for info on crown reversals, Joseph James for free on YouTube. Okay. I appreciate that, Chris. Money Viddy, first trade up $50. I freaking love it. I love it, man. I'm glad you hit it. I'm out of
order filled.
I'm out. I'm trying to build up my drawdown. My drawdown is 300. My drawdown in this account is $369. So I need to just take little gains so I can get out of there, and then I can go for a bigger trade. But other than that, guys, I'll see you in a little bit. Don't trade at lunch. Your portfolio could take a punch. Just remember that. All right? Peace.